In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where there are no Wi-Fi networks found on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. The first thing we need to do is head on down to the search bar and type in services and then click serve. With services now open, we want to scroll all the way down until we find WLAN auto config. What you want to do is double click on this, see whether it's running or not. If it is not running, just click the start button. But if, like me, it's already running, what you need to do is press stop. And once that has stopped, you want to press start again and ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. Then press OK. From here, right click on it and then hit restart. If this first fix hasn't fixed your issue, the next thing we need to do is head on down to the search bar again and search for control panel. Here under network and internet, you want to select view network status and task. And then in the top right of this screen, you want to click change adapter setting. Hopefully with this window now open, you're able to see your Wi-Fi adapter and potentially even an Ethernet adapter as well. What we want to do here is right click on our Wi-Fi adapter and then click properties. From properties, we want to hit configure. And then from here, we want to select the advanced tab. From here, what we need to do is click on the 2.4 Hz channel bandwidth and change whatever value it is set to auto. Do the same for 5 and 6. After that has been done, go to roaming aggressiveness and change this to something higher than it already is. Medium or medium high is more than enough. Then press OK. These last steps should very likely have fixed your issue, but if it's still not working, there is one final solution. To close out of all of these, open up our search again and type in settings. With the settings window now open, on the left, I want you to click network and internet to get to this page. And then at the very bottom, there is advanced network settings. Click that. And then midway down the page, there will be a network reset button. So just press that. Once you've done, you need to restart your PC or laptop, and then hopefully that has fixed your issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.